Hi guys, Andrew here, Urban Automotive, Oakville, Ontario, Canada, here to talk to you about the importance of engine oil changes and as well as the reason why. So this vehicle here is a Volkswagen Audi product, and it came in with camshaft timing codes. Vehicle was running rough like it was going to stall. This vehicle has Formula One technology in it with variable valve timing control. These are the solenoids here that control that, and these are all oil fed. And this changes the valve timing in that of both your intake and exhaust. So this one has 4 valve timing solenoids as well as adjustable phasers to it. We had a couple of these that were sticking. We ended up changing all 4 of them out because you do a couple, you know the other 2 are not too far behind. As well, the importance of engine oil changes. Do them on time. This one here, the oil was getting really sludgy, really black. Through our friends here at Valvoline, we've got great products to use. This is the engine oil cleaner, system cleaner. This is a detergent-based cleaner. It is safe to use in your engine. Get your engine nice and hot, pour this in, let it run for at least 5 minutes, 10, 15, however long you think it'll be. This thing, you can rev up the engine a little bit. It is detergent-based. You're not going to wipe out your bearings like a lot of you guys worry about with engine flushes and that. Drain it all, put in your fresh oil and all that, because all these variable valve timing control systems, and it's not just the European cars, North American, Japanese, they're oil fed. They might be electronic control, but they're oil fed. So it's very important to not only have the right viscosity, but the right grade. You see that little code under at the bottom? Not knowing quite what it is, it's very important you put in the proper product for your engine. Everything will work great. You guys have any check engine lights on, variable valve timing control issues, give us a call here at the shop. Urban Automotive, safety first.